Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to set alarm in Samsung Galaxy M04 and M04s. But before we talk about that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can set alarm in Samsung Galaxy M04 and M04s.